Cultivating a Blissful Mind in Serenity Valley _ a Zen story, in the serene village of Tranquil Grove, nestled amidst the embrace of lush, rolling hills, resided a boy named Liam. From a tender age, Liam displayed wisdom and tranquility beyond his years, known for his serene disposition and his remarkable ability to bring calmness to the most tumultuous of situations. Tranquil Grove was a village that cherished the peaceful serenity of its surroundings. Life there was simple, and the villagers firmly believed that inner peace held the key to a joyful and fulfilling existence. Liam's parents, who were esteemed for their serene ways, had instilled these values in him since his infancy. One sunlit morning, as Liam ventured to explore the outskirts of the village, he crossed paths with a wise wanderer named Cavy. Cavy had traversed great distances in search of enlightenment and the secrets of a blissful mind. His visage bore the lines of wisdom, and his eyes sparkled with the knowledge he had amassed throughout his journeys. Greeting Cavy with a warm smile, Liam invited him to share his wisdom. Intrigued by the boy's serene presence, Cavy decided to divulge the profound insights he had uncovered on his quest for inner peace. He regaled Liam with tales of the many teachers and sages he had encountered, along with the invaluable lessons they had imparted. Cavy expounded that the path to a blissful mind was an internal odyssey, rooted in nurturing the heart and mind, rather than in the pursuit of external accomplishments. Cavy conveyed that the blissful mind could not be unearthed in the pursuit of material success or the indulgence of worldly pleasures. Instead, it was nurtured through the cultivation of inner peace, compassion, and contentment. Eager to embark on this transformative journey, Liam inquired how he could cultivate these qualities. Cavy shared several guiding principles with Liam. 1. Meditation. He encouraged Liam to embrace the practice of meditation to quiet the incessant chatter of the mind and forge a connection with his inner self. 2. Compassion. Cavy emphasized the significance of displaying kindness and empathy to all living beings. It was through compassion that one could discover the profound joy and contentment inherent in life. 3. Simplicity. Liam was advised to simplify his life by shedding unnecessary distractions and materialistic desires, focusing on the essence of existence. 4. Gratitude. Cavy reminded Liam to express gratitude daily for the wonders of nature, the unwavering support of loved ones, and the simple, everyday joys life bestowed. Taking Cavy's teachings to heart, Liam embarked on his journey towards a blissful mind. He dedicated time each day to meditation, relishing the stillness of his mind as he explored the depths of his consciousness. With unwavering dedication, he practiced acts of kindness, helping those in need throughout the village and scattering joy in his wake. Liam simplified his life by relinquishing the superfluous, and focused on the fundamental aspects of existence. As the years unfolded, Liam's inner peace radiated from him like a luminous aura. His very presence had a calming effect on Tranquil Grove, transforming it into an even more serene haven. The village became a beacon of tranquility, attracting people from neighboring regions who sought Liam's guidance. Liam's story serves as a timeless reminder that a blissful mind is attainable by anyone, regardless of age or gender. It is a journey of self-discovery that centers on nurturing inner peace, compassion, and gratitude. Liam's example illustrates that by cultivating these profound qualities, we can uncover genuine happiness and inspire others to do the same.